Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, the place where we whip up heavenly delights that not only tantalize your taste buds but also keep you on track with your health goals. Today, I've got a treat that's going to change the way you think about chicken nuggets forever, our deliciously crispy and healthy, no-frying chicken nuggets. We'll start by creating an egg wash. Crack open 2 fresh eggs, then add a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Give it a good mix until everything's beautifully combined. Now, let's talk about that fantastic crunchy coating that will take these nuggets to the next level. Add 3½ cups of crushed corn flakes, and don't forget our flavor enhancers, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, and onion powder each. And for that extra zing, let's sprinkle in 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Give that a swirl, and watch those flavors come together in a symphony of yum. Now, the fun part. Take a piece of chicken, give it a gentle flour bath, making sure it's nicely coated. Then dip in the egg mixture until it's fully coated. And finally the cornflake mix. Press the chicken into the seasoned cornflake mix, making sure it's coated all over, and place it on a parchment paper-covered oven pan. Now, it's time to let the oven work its magic. Preheat it to a sizzling 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop those nuggets in, and let them bake for around 12 to 15 minutes or until they are beautifully golden in color. And there you have it, our delicious no-fried chicken nuggets are ready to steal the spotlight. An amazing healthier twist on a classic favorite. Remember, at Heaven's Kitchen, we're all about creating delicious dishes that your body will thank you for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more heavenly recipes. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling, and always remember, good food brings good mood.